In this video we will talk about the essential softwares we need and how to install them. So let's start. We need latest Python installed in a text editor. You are comfortable with like Sublime, MLCourse Python editor. You can also use IDE like PyCharm for more interactive experience. We will use jupyter-notebook for illustration. You can install Jupyter via pip by this command: pip install Jupyter. Check description for direct download links and other additional links. Now we have installed all the required softwares and are now ready for MLCourse. I will make a GitHub repo from where you can clone every dataset used in our projects. This will help us efficiently use our time. I recommend you to get comfortable with GitHub and some Python basic syntax. Tell me in comments if you guys want a crash course for Python.